Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have my Simply Gilded subscription box for the month of February. So if you guys want to see an unboxing, then keep on watching. Look how beautiful this box is. So the theme for February, I know this is going up a little bit later, but there was that storm in Texas, and this is where the warehouse is, based in Texas. So I've had this for a couple of days, so it didn't get to me too late, but I'm just filming it a little bit later. So this is a really great box. I've seen sneak peeks and I have seen the mystery item because I couldn't wait. And then a bonus, Irene gave us this mystery box of juniper, and she's super cute. It's a collectible item. So it has like a hazard on here because it's not for children under 3, so definitely, you know, be aware of that. But yeah, it's just a cute collectible item. It's a little character of hers, and I think it's super cute. I'm still kind of new to Simply Gilded, but I think this is a really cute idea, and she threw this in here. I have opened it, or I didn't open it. My daughter snatched it from me, and okay, I was super excited because I was like, oh yeah, these are so cute. And I was like, I really like the blue dress, and that's what the bunnies is called by blue dress, green dress, pink dress, and yellow dress. And I really wanted this one because she's super cute and unique, and I don't know. And of course, that's what I got. I was so excited. I was telling my daughter when she was opening it, and I was, you know, describing it, and for the longest time she couldn't tell which one I got, but she thought I got the one in the box here. But super cute. I got the blue dress juniper. It's super cute. It's a little heavy. It's just a little collectible item. Super cute. But I'm sure if you have children, they're gonna want to play with it because it's, I don't know, it's cute. It's tiny. So I'm gonna try to put mine. I don't have any little ones, but I'm gonna put it up in my planner space, or my space here. Super cute. So I love it. That was so sweet of her to put that in here. I like this idea. So super cute. I love the box, so I may keep the box too. It has the Simply Gilded bow on the top. Okay, so let me open this up. Now I get the full subscription service. There is new options this year. I mentioned it in my last unboxing if you're new to Simply Gilded. So there is a washi, a sticker, and I believe this one. So I think there's only 3 options. And then an add-on to this, like the skinny washi. So I'm gonna take everything off camera because I'm gonna save the mystery item at the end. But I'm pretty sure everyone has seen it by now. Okay, this is the pretty box. I just love the boxes. I love all the detail she puts into her boxes. Super cute. It even says 2021 on the back. Okay, so here's the little card that you get with everything inside. Foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, a Luxe quilted pouch, a B6 stitch binding notebook, a floral print gel ink pen, Vellum sheet set, die cut stickers, and then the mystery item. So I am just gonna start with this first. So I'm not gonna go in order. This is the Luxe quilted pout. It has like this little seal over the hardware so it doesn't get scratched. I love that detail. And then you have the D-ring here. So it is very luxe. It's very taupe. It's like a taupe color to me. It's taupe, cream. Oh, there's D-rings on each side. Oh yeah, I'm getting a little excited. She mentioned that you could use this as a little clutch handbag. So, and it has this pretty like metallic baby blue color inside. It has a pocket here with the Simply Gilded tag. Super pretty, very luxe. It's pretty flat. I don't know what I would put in here though, without it making it a little, I guess it would be a little flexible for a handbag. I don't know, super pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Let's see. Next we have the die cuts. Oh, these are tiny. I watch a lot of the sneak peeks on Irene's lives. These look a lot smaller than what I thought they were, which is fine. Okay, so these are paper die cut stickers. So we have this one, it's a little table, outside table, a little bike. I love that, that's pretty. And then this cute little cart with like cute desserts. It's supposed to give you that Paris vibe. Super cool. I would love to go to Paris. Very pretty. I'm going to show you guys a close-up a little later. Okay, so let's look at the sticker sheets. What else is in here? This looks like it's combined with other things. Okay. So we have, so this is the sticker kit. I think this is one of the options for the boxes, for the monthly subscription. So we have 3 of these smaller, I guess 3x4 little icon deco stickers with the dates with light gold foiling. And then this one with boxes and checklist. This one has a little carousel. Have more of those little icons from the die cuts. Very pretty. This one says gratitude. I'll share close-ups in a moment. This one has the same icons, but they're on little hearts, and they have like that pretty border from the box or the design. I don't know the name for it, but it's super pretty. So then we have some seal bows with the same design. It all kind of coordinates with the florals and this pretty sage green and this pretty blue. Very pretty. Very vintage-ish to me. Okay, then we have her stickers here with the days of the week. You have 2 sets here. One with the print, one with just like this taupe color, probably the same color as the pouch. And then this box sticker, a decorative sticker, another box, and smaller checklist, bows, icons, and then these little headers: meeting, appointment, important, groceries, meal plan, and laundry day. Super pretty. Then we have this sheet that has more of the blue tones, again with all of the light gold foiling. These are so tiny. Are these stickers? Yeah, really tiny stickers. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not gonna pick at that. Super cute, all Paris themed, days of the week. Super pretty. I'll have to share close. Okay, next is the B6 stitch binding notebook. Again, that pretty taupe color. It's very minimal. Has this has the simply gilded bow on it and light gold. And then it's actually lined with the bows up at the top. And there's a little bit of color. I'm not sure what the color is. Maybe a peachy color, but it's very subtle. Very pretty. Okay. Then we have the vellum sheets that go with the B6 notebook. Yeah, this is very sophisticated. This print is beautiful though. So we have the vellum here. It's already cut out for you and it's creased for you. You have this same pretty taupe with this, like, is this called chevron print? I don't know, but the lines are dotted in a lined form. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so elegant. Okay, definitely out of my style, but it's okay. It's a beautiful collection. Okay, then we have the washi. I love how the washi comes packaged like this. I appreciate it. So now we can get into this. With the pen and the journaling card. And then I get the add-on in mine. Whoa, that's a lot of washi. And beautiful pen matches the same floral print. And here's the journaling card. It's a little bicycle. It's in French, and I don't read French, so sorry. It's super pretty. Really, this whole collection is very dainty and delicate and just, yes. Okay. Okay, here's the washi. Wow, it's so pretty. I know I'm using that word a lot, but it's very Paris, I guess. I love all the colors. The blue and the sage and the little taupes and pinks. Everything color coordinates very well. It has this, I like how she does these little scenes. This one has the Eiffel Tower in it. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take all the wrapping off and give you guys a close-up. And here's the pen. I'm thinking about gifting this to a friend, so I don't want to mess with this stuff much, but it's very pretty. Okay, let me take the wrapping off the washi. Share with you guys the close-ups. This collection is really pretty. I just love all the light gold foiling and the detail. Everything goes together really nicely. My favorite though is the city view. I love that. Okay, and then this one is the add-on. You have the bows, hearts, and then this two-tone here, and this little small detail. So it matches. All of it together. Really pretty. I keep using that word. Okay. And then here's the pen up close. It is the gel type of pen and it's really great. I love using the one I have. Then here's the journaling card. And then the vellum. Such a sweet collection. It's very sweet and dainty and just, I don't know. It's very pretty. All right, then we have the stickers. The seal bows. This one's a different print of flowers. That blue is my favorite. Then the 3 little smaller stickers with dates and icons and extra boxes. Then the die cuts. Stickers. And they are paper. I don't know if I mentioned that. See how tiny they are? They're pretty tiny. The bike is my favorite. And then here's the little collectible item. This is adorable. I love this. Super cute. I love the blue little dress. And then here's a close-up of the pretty Luxe quilted pouch. And the inside has the pocket wonder if these stickers fit. It's like this size. Probably be easier with this in here. Oh, it doesn't close. Okay, and now I am going to share the mystery item. So if you guys don't want to see the mystery item, then thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Here's the mystery item. It comes in this pretty cute pouch, and I was super shocked that she threw this in this box. Yeah, very lucky. Super excited. So she gave us her new necklace that she has designed. I don't know if you guys have seen Irene wear this, but this is in gold. And I'm just now taking this out, of course, to see it for the very first time. When I saw the sneak peek, I was so shocked. I was like, oh my gosh, she is so nice. And her necklaces have the little charm on it, and I think it says 2015. Yeah, established in 2015 is when Simply Gilded was. So you get a really long extender. It's very delicate and dainty, very pretty. I am so excited. That was so sweet of her. So that is everything that I got in the Simply Gilded February box. Lots of washi. Very spoiled. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd have to decide what I would do with this collection, but I think this would be a nice gift for someone. But yeah, it's very pretty. And I'm definitely loving the collectible. That was fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Take care and happy planning. Bye.